Hey guys, Mark here from Little Kitchen Big Food. And I know it's been a while. It's been about a year. And as you can tell by my hair, I haven't got a haircut in a while. Today we're going to do fish and chips. So, two different recipes from two different cooks. Kenji Lopez-Alt is going to be the source of the fish, and Alton Brown is going to be the source of the chips. We're going to start with the French fries, or the chips, because I should have started this 12 hours ago. We're going to get started on that right now. 6 potatoes. And what we're going to do is we're going to basically just wash and scrub them real quick. So there you have your potatoes. They're washed. Next thing you do with these potatoes is you stab them repeatedly with a fork in a murderous manner. The next thing you're going to do, a little extra virgin olive oil. Just like that. Rub it around in a non-suggestive manner. You're going to take kosher salt. You're going to put them into a hot oven, 350 for about an hour. What you're going to do, you're going to put a tray down below. You put these right on the rack. So potatoes go on the rack at 350 for an hour. About a tablespoon of capers, chopped. 3 tablespoons of mayo. Need about 2 teaspoons of sweet pickle relish. About a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And a teaspoon of sugar. And you mix. And that is your tartar sauce. Put this in a container and refrigerate it until you're ready to serve. Making the beer batter. 1 cup of flour. Half a cup of cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. And a teaspoon of baking powder. Put all those items in a bowl, whisk them together so they're all incorporated. The last thing you're going to add to this is 1 cup of beer. What happens next is you need to check the potatoes to make sure they're at an internal temperature of about 185 or 190. That's what this is. So we'll go check them. We're good. So what happens now is you take them, put them on a tray. Once these cool to room temperature, we'll put them in the fridge and get them nice and cold. We're actually going to go into the freezer with them to accelerate that process because I don't have 12 hours. To get your oil up to 375. Once you get to 350, you're going to turn the oil down so it doesn't go shooting past 375. We're using vegetable oil here. Okay, once you've reached your target temperature at 375, take about 6 or 8 of your potato slices, and in they go. And that's what they should look like when they're done. Drop them onto a paper towel lined cooling rack, and you move on to your next batch. And you're going to want to salt them as soon as they come out of the oil, so that salt sticks to the fries themselves. So earlier you saw me put together the dry mix. To beer batter, you add beer, about 1 cup. So this is kind of the consistency you're looking for. And yeah, it's got like dry chunks in it of flour, and that's perfectly okay. So you're going to take your fish into the beer batter. Let it drip off into the flour, like so, and from the flour into the oil. And you let these go until they're golden brown and delicious. It's about 2.5 minutes. And you pull them out of the oil. And as you can see, golden brown and delicious. Some of that excess oil off. Put them on a tray. Give them some salt. Alright guys, this is the end result. Fries, super crispy, and this fish, really crispy on the outside, golden brown delicious. Oh, so tasty. Little malt vinegar, little of that scratch made tartar sauce, make this. Alright, we'll see you next time.